Hi everybody, I'm Jesse. Me and the guys are up here on the Kula area of our Maliko project, up here the country kind of area. And this is a assortment of Kabocha squash we've harvested from our mounds and our potato mounds on the sides. This is the second wave of large harvesting. Gotta be a couple 100 pounds at least. And it's perfect time to be picking them all like this, that way the rats don't come and take it out for us. So yeah. It's been real good, and I think this will be able to feed a whole good amount of people, that's for sure. We're going to be harvesting them, bringing them down to Maliko, and people who need a little bit extra food, these are going to be put inside boxes. People need some stuff. Yeah, kabocha, papaya. We have a ton of food down here, so if you or anyone you know needs some, let us know.